Yesterday, I have decided to make a special giveaway for all modern developers. You can download the Notion template for managing the budget. Giveaway proceeds till the end of the weekend, then the price will be $10. Click the link in the description to get the free template. Do not forget to rate this product. Hello there, thank you for the purchase of the budget tracker. Let me guide you through the basic setup. We have few databases like monthly preview, budget items preview, expenses, and incomes. Budget items consist of all categories which we want to define. It counts the entire used budget for summed months. You can change a name in this database, delete an item, or add a new one. In this case, I changed the name of the health budget item to doctor. I also deleted house chemistry and added a new category investments. You can fully customize it to your needs, but in this database, you only change the name property. The rest is counted from monthly budgets. Newly created budget item can have a custom icon. Change it from the menu or upload your own one. You can set up it minimalistic or explore other options. If you have another idea for naming budget items, you can delete all items and add them one by one according to your idea. Columns will stay the same. Alright, new budget items are set up. We can now see them in monthly previews. Monthly preview includes tabs for every month and additional one for this month and last one for all. Remember that you need to add manually for each month the budget item and then set a monthly limit and eventually a description. At the bottom, you can see the sum of used money and the limit. Each budget has a warning indicator. The monthly preview includes all of the expenses from the expenses database, which are suitable for the date of spending. Expenses are attached to different budget items. Let's fill in a name for the deleted, previously house chemistry budget item. I will select the newly created investments item to avoid deleting empty items and adding the new one once again. Then I will change the description to have something more adequate. I will also change the limit to $200. Remember that you can easily change the currency by clicking the header of a column and selecting your own one. At the top, we can add income and expenses. We have also the navigation link for expenses database and buttons for quick actions like adding expense, income, or saving. I have just clicked add expense, and by clicking again open at the bottom or on a new row in the expense database, I can define a name, amount, and budget item from a list. I have chosen the fuel budget item. After making sure everything is correct, I can go back to the dashboard. We can do analogically the same with add income and add saving. As we can see, the expense is added correctly and both databases are updated with another expense. Usage is increased, the same as used property. Let's see another expense that was previously added for the next month. We can see it by selecting the All tab on the expense tracker. We can find other car fixes expenses added for February. After switching a tab to February, we see that everything is correctly updated, the same as overall budget items database. Remember that if you face some problems, you can always message me. Thank you for staying with me.